I am so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but I got my pop-in veneers, okay? And listen, normally I don't let my teeth bother me, okay? I've worked with them my entire life. As you guys could tell, clearly they're not straight. But that's never deterred me from living my life or never stopped me from having people be attracted to me. They actually they show you your 3D impression, okay? Damn. I mean, okay, but so I know they're my teeth, right? That's my teeth. I know, right? So they show you that's what the 3D print is. Then they give you your pop-in veneer. So this is my teeth, okay? Y'all, I am so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna take them out, but I'm first gonna show you guys, like, oh, I mean, I sorry, I did my lips, but I want to make sure they wasn't gonna come off. I'm just nervous. And so then they give you this little bag and they show you like how to clean them. They do give you these little dissolvable cleaning things that you put in a cup and then you let it soak for 15 minutes. Yeah, because I have a tooth missing there because when I was eating popcorn one time, it broke my tooth. You know, so definitely watch when y'all eating popcorn and stuff. They give you a little toothbrush. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so like wash them, I'm sure, or brush your teeth or whatever. Oh, okay. I'm kind of shaking right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all. Oh my god, okay. 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 That's better. I need to pop more in on this side. Y'all. They're almost like, okay, my teeth are not even that white. Like, my teeth are not even that white, okay? But, like, I did pay a pretty penny for these. I spent, like, $300 on these teeth. I could have got the bottom ones, too, but I just thought, normally, you don't really see my bottom teeth. It's more my top teeth. I'm getting used to how they feel in my mouth. I'm having a hard time with F's. F's. But, you know, other than that, like, okay. I'm trying to, I don't want to get emotional, but like, that is actually crazy. Like, I don't have a missing tooth no more, right? At least there's that going for me. I am very happy though. I am. Like, I mean, I love how it's not like because normally when you get fake teeth, they give you the gums. And I don't want fake gums. Ew, like that's just horrible. So the fact that they go exactly, that's insane. It's like actually insane. You know, but it's awesome, you guys. Like, if you have any issues with your teeth and you've been wanting to like try these out, definitely do, okay? And like the impression, I got nervous when I was making them because I'm like, I hope I did it right, but don't overthink it. That's the thing. I can't stress that enough. Don't overthink it, because overthink it. That's the way I'm talking, y'all. I gotta get used to this, but. Don't overthink it. No, just, you know, but honestly, it's easier than you think. You just send them your impressions. You take them down to UPS. I'm like, this is me. Like, this is me, y'all. Like, hi. Y'all, that's insane. That's just, I'm looking at myself and I'm shook, y'all. Like, I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, I don't have an issue with my real teeth, but like for pictures and stuff like that, or if I want to go out sometimes and wear these, like, yes, like, I goes all the way back to here, which is freaking awesome, y'all. Like, what the hell, y'all? It's like uncanny valley because I'm not used to it. Like, oh my god. Oh, y'all. But yes, I mean, I'm not sponsored by them by no means. I bought this with my own coin. I wanted to see what they look like. It is something that I always kind of thought, well, I kind of would like to see what I would look like with straight teeth. So it's like, there you go. Like, oh my God. I'm just laughing. Oh, okay. But yes, guys, thank you for watching and going on this journey with me. I'm glad they fit. That's what I was worried about. I was nervous. I'm like, what if they don't fit? So I'm glad they do. And I'm like, it's so nice.